Good evening, everyone. For today's video, we are going to know what is linear regression and correlation. Okay, let's start with the correlation. Correlation refers to the statistical association. Again, refers to the statistical association. Refers to the statistical association. Okay? Na-erase naman noon. Asa man diri amas kanino. So mas better ni siya. Okay? So it refers to the statistical association between the two variables such as weight and height, IQ and emotion, or grades and the number of studies. So if there is an association between the two variables, okay, when we say variables, these are the ratio or interval level of measurement, no? A correlation exists between two variables when one of them is related, again, is related to one another in some way. Okay? Just like relate man sa pampatangkad isang milk. O, pwede siya. Relate po sa number of studies, the number of hours na nag-study ka, mas makarelate po, no? Na masing nga abay association the number of studies sa scores nimo sa exam, or the number of books that you read sa number of page that you read na by association, no, na magawa sa exam. Okay, a scatter plot is the best place to start. Again, scatter plot is the best way to start. Ang scatter plot mo na siya ang nagaingon na this is the y-axis and the x-axis. Then naana siya ang scatter plot mo na siya ang mga graph x and y. Okay, mo na mga graph mo ng mga data na ay line dira, line best of fit. Okay, again, a scatter plot or scatter diagram is a graph of a paired x and y. A sample data with a horizontal x-axis and x-axis, as I mentioned, each individual x and y is plotted as the single points. So nga na mga points dira. A scatter plot can be identified several different types of relationship between the two variables. A relationship has no correlation when the points on the scatter plots do not show a direct pattern. For example, that this is the x, the y, and the x-axis. Then this is the line base of it na basihan nimo kung naabay association ang x and y. Once ang data is nga adire lagyo, walay joy formado plus ani nakaporma siya, therefore there is no correlation at all. Okay, and then here is that a relationship is nonlinear when the points on the scatter plot follows a pattern but not a straight line. Okay, example like this one or like this. So nonlinear siya kay dili mo siya straight. When we say linear, straight line or linear. And kung inani siya na ay curve gamay, therefore this is a nonlinear. And also this one. When we say linear, ana ba or ana? Okay, depende. Positive or negative. Okay. A relationship is linear when the points on the scatter plot follow somewhat straight line pattern. So as I mentioned before, here. And this is a relationship that we will examine. So linear relationship can be either positive or negative. When ang graph niya kay paana, therefore positive. Kung ang graph niya kay paana, therefore negative. Positive relationship has points that incline upward, as I mentioned, upward to the right. And as x values increase, y values Y values increase. Kung naga-increase ang demand, naga-increase ang supply. Okay, mo na siya no, respectively. As X values decrease, Y values decrease. Kung nagababa ang kita, nagababa ang produkto, no? Kaya wala kayo nagahimo, kay di man kayo siya demand. Muna siya, no? Kung gamay imong trabaho, gamay imong sahod. For example, when studying plants, height typically increase as diameter increase, di ba? So, studying in the plants and height typically increase as a diameter increase. No? Kung nag-increase ang height, nag-increase po na ang diameter. Muna ang positive correlation. Nag-increase si Y, mag-increase si X. And here, kung negative naman, mag-increase si X, mag-decrease si Y. So, there is a negative, mo siya o kanang indirect proportion. I mean, inverse proportion pala. Inverse proportion. Which means kung mag-increase ang X, mag-decrease ang Y. Okay? Correlation of the coefficient are computed and most widely used measure of relationship. It is a person-product moment, correlation, coefficient, or simply person R. Again, sometimes we called it person-product moment, correlation, coefficient, taas ra kaayo, therefore, nga tayo mo bo, person R. Okay? And then, this is the formula of how to compute the R or the person R. Okay? Ang person R, mo ang mga data na kailangan. X, the observed data for the independence variable. For example, your height. And Y, kung nag-increase imong height, mag-increase imuhang timbang. The observed data from the dependent variable. Okay? Mo na siya. And then the N, the sample size, which is pila ka book data. Then sa summation of X, ipang plus nimo. Then summation, when we say this one, which is summation. Okay? Ipang add nimo. So, kanila ang ginapangayo, dali ra kaayo. So, i-substitute ra na nimo, then kuha na nimo ang answer. Ang R na to is from 0 to 1. When we say 0, there is no correlation. And when we say 1, there is a perfect correlation. Okay? So, I will show you here the interpretation, the rule of thumb. When your data is 0, therefore, there is no correlation. When your data is from 0 to, so mga 0.17, 0.18, 0.10, no? Sulod man siya diri. Therefore, weak, very weak positive, no? Very weak. Then, kung negative siya diri, kay ang R man god sometimes positive or negative, no? Kung negative or positive, kung positive, nag-increase ang X, mag-increase ang Y. Then, kung negative, mag-increase ang X, mag-decrease si Y. Okay, mo na siya. So, dili pasabot na mas dako si X compare ka Y. Dili pasabot sa person R, mas dako si negative compare kang plus. Dili pud pasabot, mas dako si plus compare kang negative. Parehara na sila, pero naga-differ lang siya sa interpretation ani. Sa proportion. Okay? And also, if we have the positive, we are also the negative. Very weak negative. Very weak negative correlation, no? And 2.2 to 0.39, which is weak positive. So, and so on and so forth. Nagataas siya. And same sa negative na side. No? Mo na siya. Kung negative 1, therefore, there is a perfect negative correlation. Kung positive 1, there is a perfect positive correlation. So, as you can see here, kung inani ang graph ninyo, pa straight, pero bulag-bulag gamay, therefore, this is a strong positive correlation. we base gapon ta diri sa number. Okay? Kung inani weak correlation, kung wa jud non-correlation, so klase-klaseng correlation, no? So kamusta man mo sa imong uyab? Weak ba, strong or none? Inyong relationship. O how about the God, no? Relationship ninyo sa Ginoo. So, kamusta man? Okay? So mora na siya. Now, we have the problem. But before that, before we are going, let me present to you linear regression and correlation are statistical method used to analyze relationship between quantifiers and variables. Okay? They serve a distinct purpose, but are often used together to gain a comprehensive understanding of association between variables. Here, an overview, the purpose, useful, and things to consider. Let's go with the linear. With the correlation. Okay, mas kuan man si correlation pa. Compare kang linear regression. Purpose niya, correlation measure the strength, measure the strength and direction of the linear relationship. When we say strength, katong mga gipang-ingon ako, strong ba, weak ba, no correlation ba? When we say direction, kung positive ba or negative. So, between the two quantities, when we say quantities, measure as a interval or ratio, the level of measurement. It quantifies how well the relationship can be described by a straight line. Usefulness, association assessment. Correlation provides a numerical value, the correlation coefficient that indicates the degree of association between the two. So, muna si R. Na? Yung isolve ninyo. And also the variable selection. It's help identify potential prediction for regression analysis. So, muna ginaingon ako ang kalainan nila. Ang correlation is not more on prediction, but more on association. But when we say linear regression, is more on prediction. Okay? Makabalo ratanaan niya. Then, the multicollinearity. Correlation can highlight potential issues of multicollinearity when examining the relationship between the multiple independent variable. So, depende. Sa correlation man god, na issues is that naay sum of the independent variable is dagan kaayo. Ato adiri is isa-isa ra ba? Isa-isa ra. Pras aning statistic in computer nga by correlation. Sa uban mga problem sa correlation is mga daghan na kayo ang mga independent variable. Multi, no? Naabay relationship sa tanan variable. Okay? Linear ba? So things to consider. Again, when we say things to consider, this is an assumption. Bago ka mo proceed sa statistical tools, you must meet this assumption. Okay? Kung wala na meet basing isa dira, therefore, is useless to use correlation, which is non-parametric. So therefore, there is an alternative statistical tools for correlation when we cannot meet this assumption. So ang alternative niya is Sperman-Rho correlation. So, sabtan na ninyo kung maabot naman sa advanced statistic and mag-masters mo. Okay? So, things to consider is the assumption. Again, kung naay wala na ma-meet diri basing isa, therefore, dili ipadayon si correlation kay dili accurate ang R niya and ang P value. Okay? First is the linearity. Linear regression, correlation assume a linear relationship. Okay? Linear relationship. Straight. Walay magliko-liko. O, diba? Dagag magliko-liko ng mga laki karon ba o bae. If the relationship is nonlinear, the correlation may not fully capable, or saan siya? Captured association. So, useless ra. So, tanawon dyan na nimo ang graph kung linear ba dyan. Kung wala ni na-meet, therefore, ayun ang gamit ang correlation. Another, outliers. Again, na-discuss na natin ng outliers. These are the high score and the lowest scores that can affect our mean interpretation of the data and the standard deviation, no? Can significantly influence correlation coefficient. It is important to check and address the outliers. So, on pag-check, using the box plot, no? Then, kabalo naman mo atong box plot saan to paggamit to identify the outliers, no? And then, scale sensitivity. Correlation is sensitive to a scale of measurement. Rescaling variable can affect correlation values. Okay? So, another things to consider in general, correlation versus causation, cause and effect. Both linear regression and correlation show association. Yes, but they do not imply causation. Again, they do not imply cause and effect. Dili ka makaingon na tungod ani is mo ni ang resulta, no? But it can give you association kan naabay related to each other. Pero dili ka makaingon na mo predict ka, I mean, moingon ka siya ang dahilan nganong nahitabo ni. Okay? Milk ang dahilan nganong nintangkad ka. Dili inana, ha? There is just an association, but there is no causation. In additional research, the experimental design are needed to establish causal relationship. Again, causation versus correlation. Ang correlation or person R is just a measure of association. But linear regression is a measure of correlation or association and the same time prediction. Okay? So data quality, the reliability of the result depends on the quality of data checked by missing values, outliers, and potential errors. So muna siya, no? And dito sa linear regression is that natay gina-follow na model. For linear regression, it's important to validate the model. When you say model, this is the equation. AX plus BY plus C. Y is equal to MX plus B, which is the slope formula. Assessing its performance of a new data not used in the model development. Linear regression and correlation are powerful tools to exploring and quantifying relationships between variables, but careful consideration of assumption and potential limitation is essential for accurate, meaningful results. Okay? Muna inyong bantayan ninyo. So, again, we have the problem here. A study was conducted to investigate the relationship existing between grades ni Paul Kunuhay in a statistic and the grade of computer subject. So, mura siya IT, no? IT, guro ni na student, kay computer o statistic, naman sila correlation. Kung hawad kag computer, kabalo ka mo gamit og computer, kabalo ka mo manipulate og computer, kabalo ka mo program, therefore kabalo ka mo stat. Okay? Muna computer, subject, and statistic. A random sample, when we say random, which is a non-bias. So, dili siya pinili. So, basing si Kinsara, gigamitan na siya sampling of 10 computer student. So, 10 ka-book student, which is student A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. Kay 10 na sila kabuok na student. So, sa research po diay guys, you cannot name the student. It is confidential. Kung ibutang nimo ang pangalan, dapat mag-represent lang kag A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3. Depende sa imo. Or pwede po kanang, depende lagi sa imo o sa imong ibutang. As long as confidential ang mga name. Okay? That's why gibutang niya A, B, C, D. In a college, were taken, and the data are follows. So, we have the statistic and computer. Okay? The question is, Is there a relationship between the performance of the student in a statistic and the computer subject? Naa ba? Naa ba'y relationship? Kung naay relationship, solve na to si R. Pero, dili ta makaingon kung naay statistically significant relationship. Kung si R lang atong tanawon, dapat pati si p-value. Kaya ang p-value, siya ang magaingon kung naabay significant relationship. Kung less than 0.05, kung pini mo less than 0.05 or example 0.02, 03, 04, 0.45 o na. Therefore, there is a significant relationship between the two variables. When, kung saan, 0.6, 0.7 is greater than 0.05, therefore, there is no significant relationship between the two variables. So, R alone is nagaingon lang na siya unsa ka strength, magnitude, direction ang imuhang association. Pero dili siya makaingon kung abay significant or wala. Si p-value ang muingon ana. So mogamit kag computers ana. Pero diri sa example na to, wala gi-compute si p-value. So therefore, si R na lang ang ato ang ikuan. Okay? So example, let's go. So mag-solve ta. Diri no. So we have the here we have the student here, draw. Student A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. So, therefore, pilat sila tanan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hantod, which is 10 ka student. And we have the X, which is ang X nato dira kay mo na ato ang, unsa man natong X? Muna si statistic, stat. And atong Y dira muna si ato ang computer. Okay? Therefore, ang X nato is si A daw nakakuha siya og 75 sa stat. Si student A and also sa computer nakakuha siya og 78. So ipangsulat nato na ilang mga scores kuno. 83, 80, 77, 89, 78, 92, 86, 93, 84. Okay? And dire 87, 78, 76, 92, 81, 89, 89, 91, 84. So, dili dyan magpabuta-buta, no? So, mabantayan ninyo sa itong formula, which is, need na to ang mga values ni x and y, x squared, and y squared. Muna ang mga kailangan ng mga values na to makuha para ma-solve nato to, para ma-solve nato ni na formula, which is n times the summation of xy. So, ang summation ani, kung makuha ni mo na, muna siya no, kani siya dire. The summation of xy, kung ipang-add mo mga number ana, makuha na ni mo na siya. Okay? And also, na siya, minus the summation of x and the summation of y. So, ana siya. So, ang summation sa x o sa y, muna siya dire, summation sa x, dire kay summation sa y. When we say summation, ipang-add na sila tanan, 75 to 84. So, makuha nimo ang result ana, no? Na-gets? And also, divide by, and the square root of, so, kaya ginaingon dire na bracket, and the summation, ang n nato dira which is 10, summation of x squared. So kaning x squared diri na siya makuha, no? Therefore, summation of x squared, so ana siya equal, and minus the summation of x squared, so murag yapon, no? And then and the summation of y squared minus the summation of y squared. Ana ra na siya, ha? So, kung i-squared na nimo siya, ang summation ani, therefore, makuha nimo ang result. Okay? So, let's go. So, ang pagkuha sa x times y, we know that our x is 75 and our y is 78. I-times ra na nimo. So, therefore, 75 times 78, which is, pila? 75 times 78, which is 5850, no? So, i-reason na lang nato na dira, which is 5850. 83 times 87, which is 7221. Okay, ha? Kay x times y man, so x and times and y. 80 times 78, which is 6240. So, copy na lang on the rest, no? 77 times 76, which is 5852. So, and so on and so forth. Times radyo na nimo, guys. No? So, be careful sa pag-times. Double check jud mo kung tama ba. Kung mali isa, mali tanan. Na siya. That's why ang mga math major, kayo mans makamali. Okay? Muna siya. And then, usang pagkuha sa x squared, sayon lang. Kabantay ka ang x nimo kay 75, di ba? I-times ra nimo nag ikaduwa, 75 times 75. So 75 times 75, which is 5625. So i-reason na to. 5625. So ana lang kay ang x man nato dira ang stat na scores. So i-score dira na ay ikaduwa na ra nimo nag-times sa ang sarili. Okay? 83 times 83, which is 6889. 80 times 80, which is 6,400. 77 times 77, which is 5,929. 89 times 89, 7,921. 78 times 78, which is 80 and 84. So on and so forth. Okay? So, ana lang dyan na siya, guys. Double check kung tama ba. 73, 96. So, 86, 49, and 70, o 56. Okay? Kung saan pagkuha sa y, mura gyapon. Si x nimo kay g-times nimo 75 times 75. So, ang y nimo, which is computer na score, 78 times 78. Ana ra na siya. So, 78 times 78, which is 60, 84. 87 times 87, 75, 69. And so on and so forth. Ana ra na siya. I-times ra nimo ikaduwa ang score sa y. Ang pasabot anang ikaduwa, ikaduwang sarili niyag times. Okay? So, sulat lang ta. Medyo kote lang dyan siya. Pero guys, useless ang mangyapon ni siya. Kaya nga naman na may computer. Okay? Ginatry lang siguro nila ang imuang problem solving skills, no? Pero mas better sa computer na, oy. Okay? So, ana ra. So, nabuo na. So kung i-summation na nimo, summation of y squared which is, so ipang-add na nimo tanan 6,084 plus 7,569 and so on and so forth, which is mag-result siya og 71,707. Okay? Then dire kay ipang-add nimo na tanan, mag-result siya og 70,413. Then dire pod kung i-add nimo na siya 5,850 plus 7,221 i-plus na tanan, therefore the summation of x times y which is 7,030, 71,030. So ipang-add na tanan from the word summation, ipang-add ang tanan y result which is 845. So same ra gyapon ani, ipang-add na tanan dire which is 837. Okay, let's substitute this. Use the formula, okay? So ang atong n kay 10, right? Ang n kay 10. So therefore butang kag 10. And then the summation of x and y. So asa man ni siya, which is summation of x and y. Makuha siya dire kani, which is summation of x and y dara. Therefore 71,030. So 71,030. Then minus the summation of x dara, summation of x. Summation of x which is 837. 837. And then the summation of y which is here 845. So all over, then square root ka. Okay, so let's go. And then we have the 10 which is here. Sunod, the summation of x squared. So dara, which is summation of x squared. Mo ni siya. Okay, dara. Therefore, so i-times na nimo. Okay? Close open parenthesis, 70,413 minus kani the summation of x, the summation of x then squared, so which is dara. Okay, the summation of x which is, i-color na ko para mas maklaro, the summation of x which is kani siya, summation of x, so 837 but magbutang kag 2 dira kay naa may 2. Okay, mo na siya pagkuman padayon ta. So ang n nato kay 10. Then summation of y squared dara, ang summation of y squared which is kani siya, ha? So 71717. Okay, then minus the summation of y kani siya, the summation of y which is 845. So butang ka dire 845 squared. So mo ni siya. Okay, So, compute na nimo. So, diretso na sa calculator, no? So, kani siya i-add na tanan, i-calculator na 10 times 71,030, then minus 837, then i-times pa jud mo sa 845. Therefore, the answer is dili answer ay, which is ang result niya sa numeric kani siya kani dire ang result ana gamit ang calculator which is 30 and 35, 3,035. And then gamito na po natin ni calculator. So 10 times 70 413, and then minus 837 pagkahuman is squared nimo na siya, which is ang result niya kay 3, 5, 6, 1. Close open parenthesis, and then another na pod. Kani diri na pod, isolve nato ni siya. Okay, calculator lang 10 times 71 717 minus the 845, then squared. Okay? Plus ani o kani siya na formula. Kanina formula. Okay? So mo na siya. So nagets ba? So kani siya 10 times kana, pag mag-times nimo ana i-times pa jud nimo siya, then i-minus sa result. So therefore ang result ani nila kay 3145. So times na to. So copy lang 30 35 divided by, so 3561 times 3145, which is tako apod ani oy 11 so muna na siya no, 3561 3145, which is dako kay siya 11 million 199,345. So ang result ana kay 35 divided by 11 million 199 199,345, which is again balik ko na ako times sa then nga man na siya square root dire. So don't forget the square root na siya square root, tapit na ko malimtan. So na siya square root no. So murag di na jud maklaro. I-reason sa nako be. Okay? Muna siya. So nga na siya square root. And then fraction. Sige padayon ta. So 30 35, then square root of pila to 35 61 times 31 45, which is 11,199,345. So square root ana, so idiretso na siya sa calculator ninyo. So mag-download mo cycle sa inyong cellphone, no? Mas better. 3035 libre man na sa sa store. So 11,199,345 which is nag-result siya og so mo ni ang yang result. Therefore, kung i-run off nato na 0.91. Therefore kanang 0.91 unsa may interpretation ana which is ang interpretation ana kay 0.91 positive dili which is positive. Therefore there is a positive 0.9 asang 0.9 dara there is a positive very strong correlation or there is a very strong positive correlation. So ana na siya ha pag-interpret. Okay, na gets. So ana na siya. Therefore, there exists every positive relationship between the performance of the student in statistics and computer. So positive man siya kapag ang x mag-increase, therefore ang y mag-increase. So ang stat imong grado mag-increase, therefore ang computer mag-increase pud imong grado kay naa sila'y a strong, very strong positive correlation. Kay 0.9 man hapit na mag-perfect. Kay anla na pag-compute, di magpalisod-lisod. Okay? Sir, saan pag-compute sa p-value? So wala man gibutang dira na p-value. Ayaw na ng problema ng p-value. Okay? So therefore, dili sa data makaingon nga ba jud sila relationship. Kay ang p-value may muingon kung less than ang p-value og 0.5, therefore 0.05, therefore na significant. Ang gipakita raman diri kay ang ang R lang which is 0.91. So ang gipakita lang niya as ang magnitude, direction o strength sa relationship sa association. Pero wala siya nagaingon na there is a statistically significant ba, no? Sa null hypothesis o alternate hypothesis as way back to your senior high school. Okay? So mogamit ta na og computer. So that's all. Next, tomorrow morning I will upload the linear regression. So thank you so much.